Theta kind of token is a low-position digital money right now evaluated at $0.784346 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $784,345,546 in an unobtrusive manner. Over the in every way that really matters, past kind of couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Theta token, laid out a very impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and generally are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary standards, Forex at this fundamentally specific intersection. The endeavors of all market members brought the cost of Theta by and large token to the level at $0.784346, where it as of now sits, which especially is very critical, as currently referenced Theta in every practical sense is a low-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 53rd spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings, the very metric that not set in stone, by duplicating the exceptionally current cost, by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, in spite of prevalent thinking. On account of Theta token, the market capitalization sort of stands at $784,345,546. The significance of this boundary will be generally made sense of later. Our cost expectation calculation explicitly is planned in exceptionally such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to, especially furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the by and large present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to enough survey the condition of their portfolio and generally choose whether or not it fundamentally needs to basically be reconfigured. Really, in spite of mainstream thinking, our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which generally is really essential for the exceptionally right assessment of both current and expected market structure and the appraisal of its especially present and future course. Beneath you will sort of find in every practical sense key extracts of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could sort of have a comprehension of where the Theta especially token market in every practical sense is going in a really significant way. Recently, on July 27, Theta truly was esteemed at $0.822428. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings. By and large, recollect that cryptographic forms of money by and large are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., showing that as currently referenced, Theta truly is a low-position digital money, since it by possesses the 53rd spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the truly metric that not entirely settled, by duplicating the genuinely current cost, by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they essentially thought. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period explicitly added up to 2.78%, which generally is genuinely huge. 7 days prior, on July 21, Theta genuinely token in a real sense was exchanged at $0.788372 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that generally near its by and large present position, which truly is very critical. On June 28, which truly was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged Theta at $0.746346, the cost level that truly is at the distance of 5.09% from where it as of now stands. The Theta truly token cost expectation wouldn't especially be really finished without the clarification of the beginning and the assigned utilization of the crypto unpredictability record that frames the foundation of this estimate model. Further appearance how Theta in every practical sense, token for the most part, is a low-position digital money right now valued at $0.784346 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $784,345,546, which by and large is very critical. As currently referenced, CVIX generally is the brainchild of our examiners and programming engineers, who generally have for the most part invested lots of energy dealing with an ideal answer for evaluating the expected market unpredictability and placing it in some visual structure. Besides, the pointer consolidates the cutting-edge, profound learning calculation that outputs and breaks down in a real sense terabytes of verifiable market information, so our supporters could truly appreciate having the most compact, understandable, and, above all, precise Theta cost estimate that would sort of assist them with really remaining on the ball for quite a long time to arrive in an unobtrusive manner especially. The cost of Theta and the readings of CVIX especially are by all accounts not the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Market capitalization basically is another significant extremely metric that generally assists brokers with deciding the ubiquity of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. So Theta certainly token, most certainly is a low-position digital currency, right now estimated at $0.784346, that has a place with the class of mineable coins. With a market capitalization of $784,345,546. Or so the in a real sense thought. It is likewise used to generally survey the offer that Theta genuinely token basically holds inside the really whole digital currency market, which certainly is genuinely huge. The equation for the computation of market capitalization fundamentally is somewhat basic. The flowing stockpile of the money being referred to basically is duplicated by its truly current cost in a quite enormous manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of Theta especially remains at $784,345,546, enough to name it the 53rd outright biggest coin on the digital money market, which is very critical. Recently, on July 27, the market capitalization of Theta really token especially remained at $822,428,260 win, which especially is very huge. 7 days prior, on July 21, the capitalization of Theta was $788,372,313, which for the most part is very huge. A month prior, on June 28, how much certainly capital streaming around this kind of specific market fundamentally added up to $746,346,193 in a significant manner. Most cryptographic money financial backers in a real sense stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific cryptographic money and its capacity to, in a real sense, endure disturbances, which are the very normal event on this exceptionally unpredictable market. The especially greatest stockpile of Theta fundamentally token is 100,000,000,000. Theta. The very all-out supply of Theta presently explicitly remains at 100,000,000,000 coins, which certainly is very huge. The flowing inventory of the cryptographic money under survey in every practical sense is 100,000,000,000 Theta, which sort of is very huge. This Theta pretty symbolic cost expectation wouldn't generally be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the especially metric utilized by essentially all digital currency dealers to truly affirm the strength of the pattern and the reasonability of a market move in an especially huge manner. For example, in the event that the breakout to the potential gain for the most part is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there truly is an exceptionally high likelihood that this move by and large is unreasonable and would fundamentally bring about a bullish snare, which basically is genuinely huge.